Hello students, welcome you all with this new video on the poem Crying by Galway Cannell. So the name is very interesting. Crying. So should one cry or not? Think about it. So let's see the picture of the poet before starting the poem. So this is the poet Galway Cannell, who was an American poet and he wrote many poems for children. Dear students, whenever you cry, you thought of so many things. Maybe you are feeling bad for something, maybe you are hurt. But what do you think? That should we cry? Though everyone cries. When I was a little child, I also cried a lot, and I'm sure that you also cry a lot whenever you feel like crying. So now think, should we cry or not? But do you know this poet? He says that we must cry a lot. So let's read the poem that why he is saying that why we should cry a lot. So we will start the poem now, where you will find some new words also. Poem Crying. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. Students, bit means smallest part of something, very little. Soak means completely wet. Shower means when you go to the washroom, you use shower to take bath. Splash. Splash means the sound when something falls into the water and that creates a sound. So the poet is saying that crying only a little bit, that if you will cry a little bit, it is of no use. You must cry a lot. And how much you should cry? You should cry, until your pillow becomes completely wet. That means soaked. And then what should you do after crying a lot? Then you can jump in the shower and then you can go to your washroom, take a shower and splash, 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 and you hit the water while taking shower. Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last tear and I wept it. Ha ha. So the new word is wept, which is the second form or third form of weep. Weep means to cry. So the poet says that when you will cry a lot, you have to go to the washroom, take a shower, and then open your window and you again become happy and you say ha ha ha. And if people will say, hey, what's going on up there, that what are you doing, then you will sing back that ha ha, happiness was hiding in the last tear and I wept it and I have cried that tear. That tear came out and now I'm so happy. So again you would say ha ha. So this was the poem, and that is why the poet says that one must cry a lot, because after crying only you can smile and you can laugh again. So how interesting poem it was, right? So keep studying, students. Thank you very much.